The ethics of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly become a cornerstone of modern technology, influencing various sectors from healthcare to finance. While the advancements in AI offer tremendous benefits, they also raise significant ethical questions. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, it is crucial to address these ethical concerns to ensure that the technology is developed and used responsibly. The importance of ethical considerations in AI cannot be overstated. With AI systems making decisions that can impact human lives, from job recruitment to criminal justice, ensuring that these systems operate fairly and transparently is vital. This article explores the key ethical concerns surrounding AI, including bias and fairness, privacy and surveillance, transparency and accountability, the impact on employment, and the balance between autonomy and control. Bias and fairness. One of the primary ethical concerns with AI is algorithmic bias. AI systems are trained on large data sets, which often contain historical biases. These biases can be inadvertently embedded into the AI models, leading to unfair outcomes. For instance, AI-driven hiring systems have been found to favor certain demographics over others, perpetuating existing inequalities. Similarly, in law enforcement, biased algorithms can result in discriminatory practices, disproportionately affecting minority communities. Addressing bias in AI requires a multifaceted approach. First, it is essential to use diverse and representative training data to minimize inherent biases. Second, rigorous testing and validation processes must be implemented to identify and correct biases in AI models. This involves continuous iteration and refinement, as biases can evolve with new data. Finally, ongoing monitoring and auditing of AI systems are necessary to ensure that they continue to operate fairly and equitably over time. This can include transparency reports and third-party audits to maintain accountability. Another aspect of fairness is the ethical use of AI in decision-making processes that significantly impact individuals' lives. For example, using AI in lending decisions or educational admissions must be scrutinized to prevent systemic discrimination. Engaging diverse stakeholders in the development and deployment of AI systems can also help mitigate bias and ensure more equitable outcomes. Privacy and surveillance. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data presents significant privacy concerns. The extensive data collection necessary for AI systems can lead to intrusive surveillance, eroding individual privacy. For example, facial recognition technology, while useful for security purposes, can be misused for mass surveillance, infringing on civil liberties. Balancing the benefits of AI with the need for privacy requires robust data protection regulations and transparent practices. Organizations must implement clear policies on data collection, usage, and retention to ensure that personal information is handled responsibly and ethically. Additionally, individuals should be informed about how their data is being used and have the ability to control their personal information. Ensuring privacy in the age of AI is a complex challenge, but it is essential for maintaining public trust and upholding civil liberties. One way to address privacy concerns is through the adoption of privacy-enhancing technologies, PETs. These technologies, such as differential privacy and federated learning, allow data to be used for AI training and analysis without compromising individual privacy. Implementing PETs can help mitigate the risks associated with large-scale data collection and processing. Furthermore, regulatory frameworks like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe set important precedents for data protection and privacy. These regulations mandate strict data handling practices and provide individuals with greater control over their personal information. Companies developing AI technologies must comply with these regulations to ensure ethical data practices. Transparency and accountability. The complexity of AI systems often results in the black box problem, where it is difficult to understand how decisions are made. This lack of transparency can undermine trust and accountability. For instance, if an AI system in healthcare makes a diagnostic error, it can be challenging to determine the cause and assign responsibility. Ensuring transparency in AI involves creating systems that are interpretable and explainable. Developers must design AI models that can provide clear and understandable explanations for their decisions. This transparency is crucial for building trust with users and ensuring that AI systems can be held accountable for their actions. Establishing clear accountability frameworks is also essential. Organizations that develop and deploy AI systems must be held responsible for their outcomes. This includes implementing mechanisms for auditing and reviewing AI systems, as well as establishing legal and ethical guidelines for AI development and usage. By prioritizing transparency and accountability, we can ensure that AI systems operate in a trustworthy and responsible manner. Another important aspect of transparency is open communication about the limitations and potential risks of AI systems. Developers and companies should be upfront about what their AI systems can and cannot do, and the potential biases and errors that may arise. This helps manage user expectations and builds a more informed public discourse around AI. Furthermore, accountability in AI also means having clear protocols for recourse when things go wrong. This includes establishing channels for individuals to report issues and seek redress, and having processes in place to address and rectify any harm caused by AI systems. Legal frameworks may need to evolve to address the unique challenges posed by AI accountability. Impact on employment. AI's impact on employment is another critical ethical consideration. While AI can increase efficiency and productivity, it also has the potential to displace jobs, particularly those involving routine tasks. This displacement can exacerbate economic inequalities and create social unrest. However, AI can also create new job opportunities in industries. Addressing the employment impact of AI requires proactive measures. Governments and organizations must invest in retraining programs to help workers transition to new roles and industries. Additionally, social safety nets should be strengthened to support individuals affected by job displacement. By proactively addressing the employment challenges posed by AI, we can ensure that the benefits of AI are broadly shared and that workers are equipped to succeed in the evolving job market. Moreover, it is important to foster a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. As AI and automation continue to evolve, the skills required in the job market will also change. Educational institutions and vocational training programs must adapt to prepare individuals for the future of work. This includes not only technical skills, but also soft skills such as critical thinking and problem solving, which are harder to automate. Policymakers also play a crucial role in shaping the future of work in the age of AI. Policies that promote job creation in emerging industries, support small and medium-sized enterprises, and encourage innovation can help mitigate the negative impacts of AI on employment. Collaborations between governments, businesses, and educational institutions are essential to develop a comprehensive strategy for managing the workforce transition, autonomy, and control. As AI systems become more autonomous, ethical questions arise about the extent of control humans should have over them. In critical areas such as healthcare and autonomous vehicles, delegating decision-making to AI raises concerns about accountability and trust. Ensuring that humans maintain ultimate control and oversight is crucial to prevent unintended consequences. Implementing robust governance frameworks and ethical guidelines is essential for managing the autonomy of AI systems. These frameworks should define the roles and responsibilities of humans in AI, ensuring that human oversight is maintained in critical decision-making processes. Additionally, ethical guidelines should be established to govern the development and deployment of autonomous AI systems, prioritizing safety, fairness, and accountability. By balancing autonomy and control, we can harness the power of AI while ensuring that human values and principles guide its usage. The concept of meaningful human control is particularly important in high-stakes applications of AI. This means that while AI can assist in decision-making, humans must always be in a position to intervene and make final decisions. For example, in the context of autonomous weapons, meaningful human control is essential to prevent the use of lethal force without human oversight. Ethical considerations also extend to the design and implementation of AI systems. Developers should adhere to principles such as transparency, accountability, and fairness from the outset. This involves conducting thorough impact assessments, engaging with diverse stakeholders, and continuously evaluating and updating ethical guidelines as AI technology evolves. Case studies. Several companies and initiatives are leading the way in ethical AI development. IBM's AI Fairness 360 Toolkit provides resources to detect and mitigate bias in AI models. This open-source library offers a comprehensive suite of metrics and algorithms to help developers create fairer AI systems. By providing these tools, IBM is promoting transparency and accountability in AI development. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, sets a high standard for data privacy and protection, influencing AI practices worldwide. The GDPR requires organizations to implement strict data protection measures and provides individuals with greater control over their personal information. This regulatory framework ensures that AI systems operate with respect for privacy and data protection principles. Other notable examples include Microsoft's commitment to ethical AI through its AI for Good initiative, which aims to use AI to address global challenges such as environmental sustainability and humanitarian crises. Similarly, Google's AI principles outline the company's commitment to developing AI that is socially beneficial, fair, and accountable. These examples demonstrate that it is possible to develop and use AI ethically, but it requires a commitment to transparency, fairness, and accountability. Additionally, partnerships between academia, industry, and government are crucial for advancing ethical AI. Initiatives like the Partnership on AI bring together diverse stakeholders to collaborate on best practices and guidelines for AI development. Such collaborations can help ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed in ways that align with societal values and ethical principles. Conclusion: the ethical considerations surrounding AI are complex and multifaceted. Addressing these challenges is essential to ensure that AI benefits society while minimizing potential harms. As AI continues to evolve, ongoing dialogue and vigilance are necessary to navigate the ethical landscape. By prioritizing fairness, privacy, transparency, and accountability, we can harness the power of AI responsibly and ethically. The future of AI ethics depends on our collective efforts to address these challenges. Policymakers, developers, and users must work together to create an ethical framework for AI that aligns with our values and principles.